very happy. Very happy, very happy. Uy, enough! Ka very cute gid ani among buboy, oy. Where you going? Medyo gray pa rin yung clouds, oh. Kanina pa kami naglalaro ni Buboy. It's wet, yes. See, it's wet. Oh. What are you gonna do? It's dirty. There's bugs. Where's dinosaur? Dinosaur there.
Kani nga pantry te?
Yeah, dito sa sud. Dapit sa fish tank.
Hello.
Dapit sa fish tank.
Hello. Open. No, Tita Michelle's gonna come out.
Tita Michelle's coming out, baby.
Di, mamalit tarog manok.
Abaw ka na, Nay?
Mura.
Kasuway mo po anak dito eh.
Bebe, ikaw?
Kita mi to.
Kami dito.
Arboy?
Lakad ka pa dyan, sis, para mga anak ka na, sis.
Bye, ano?
Labas ka na, Indy. Naon sa naman ang mission? Na! Mag-leaf blower next mission. No, that's Tita Michelle. Tita Michelle. Guys, labas kami. Kakahasbas ko lang. My God. Bibili kami ng chicken ni Michelle. Whole chicken. Pupunta dito yung mama ni Dan. We are on the move again, guys. Alam nyo ba, Mr. Cheese na cheesecake. Sobrang sarap. So, hinanap namin ni Michelle. It is 10 minutes away na lang. Pero 15 minutes away siya kina ate. Yung pinaka-closest ba. Pupuntahan talaga namin yan. Napunta tuloy tayo dito sa Burnside. Uy, Burnside pala tayo papunta. Guys, tingin sana kami sa Zara, kaso lang nag-ano sila, renovation, reopening pa soon. So we're just gonna go back. Bili sana si Michelle ng ano, pabango. Ang sosyal ng mga tao dito. Tapos yung damit namin ni Michelle pang balls lang kasi bibili lang sana kami ng chicken. Napunta kami dito. Mr. Cheese lang kasi yung sinearch namin. Hindi naman namin alam na sa loob pala siyang Burnside. Natatawa ako doon kasi palakad-lakad kami ba. Tapos grabe, ang dami talagang ano, sosyalin, mga mayayaman yung mga tao kasi dito. Tapos kami ni Michelle para lang kami mga ano, makapambahay. We have this red nuts na sobrang sarap. Gwapo naman ni Kuya. Bread. Ito yung nabili namin kanina.
Oh, it's one side has the crackle, the other side is very
oh yeah.
It's using skincare. Look at how the skin. Look at the skin.
It's poreless.
It's got Korean glass skin. See? Yeah. So the crackle is on that side.
Yeah.
We had to crackle off and do that.
No, we can put it back just like for a very quick one.
Look at the chicken.
Mr. Kookaburra clean oven.
Here.
Mr. Kookaburra.
Yeah. Who that?
No, they came up. I was only getting to clean my oven.
Michelle's specialty.
Ang daming titikim ng iyong chicken. Invite pa ng more pa.
Dami ng food kasi. That's good. So at least we're not wasting it.
Sorry. Ako na itong bulitan.
Yummy. Napakasarap ng chicken na Michelle.
Juicy. It's juicy.
Yeah, the sauce. Here's kookaburra cleanup.
Who's Kookaburra?
Well, let's say the napkin cleanup. It's all like underground cleans ovens. I thought you were talking about Jay. No.
Oh, I thought you were referring to someone as a kookaburra.
No.
Yeah, looks like a bird.
I thought you were calling someone mean names. I know.
They want to play an oven. The kookaburra is a bird.
Yeah.
That was okay.
This is kookaburra.
Hindi pa naman okay. So, mga pila ito ka oras sa oven Inday?
2 hours. Actually, longer about that, but it's fine.
Yeah, no, that looks good.
What? Foil?
Yeah.
Ito naman. Pink one naman.
Cute kasi si Milo.
Take the crackles out.
Ah, yeah.
Slide that.
Smells good.
Really good.
Smells so good.
She will just break my water and
Looks good.
We did good when we go.
We got there despite the
Yeah, I
pressure.
know.
Well, no pressure. You should see Christmas time on a door. That's fucking pressure. 26 people, that's fucking pressure.
26.
That's fucking pressure. This is nothing.
This is nothing.
No.
Oh, we got so many veggies,
So,
Michelle. We have to
not
eat
anything. One place
veggies.
at Christmas time.
Look at the food.
Hey, you want spoon back?
Yes, please. Thank you. So, Michelle made the chicken.
Trans made the rest.
Who's that?
That's a cute next to it. Or you want to sit next to
They've got gravy there as well, so we don't have a lot of gravy. So.
Hey, do you want some bread? Oh yeah, do we have enough cheese?
Yeah.
Bread? Yeah.
I always think
Like sausage chicken. But I'm just gonna have it. It wasn't really enough. Just was gonna put a taste of.
oh, citrus.
Take it out there,
Well,
fella.
how about you done pieces, you know,
Do you want 2 pieces there?
Pass it on.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Good. I love corn. You love corn.
So stuck, I kept on playing my part, wanted to give it 'cause nothing was changing. Colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you.
That was a very good dinner, guys. At least, konti lang yung naiwan na food kasi ang dami talaga naming food na prepare. And then, this is the Mr. Cheese na cheesecake na sobrang sarap.
Can I put it to hide?
So high! Oh no! The Ella ruined it.
I bucket.
You pick it up, boy.
Do you want to eat cheesecake at Ella?
I don't like cheesecake.
You don't like
Cheesecake.
Alo, here. Cheesecake.
This.
So yummy.
Do you like cheesecake?
Yeah, I already ate one.
I don't like cheesecake.
Alo, more? You want to eat more? More?
Hey.
You want more?
So hard.
Oi, you want more? No more?
It looks like I
likes it.
Yummy
Cheesecake.
Look like I have a
Which one you like, boy? Cheesecake or corn?
I love corn.
cake.
Cheesecake!
What?
It's a lolly cake, not a cheesecake.
It's a cheesecake. So yummy. Do you want to taste?
No, I don't like cheesecake.
Maybe you like it.
like
This one
that.
is really good.
Like a
You want to fight the boy again? No fighting.
I have a
Huh?
I have a
Alma broke it. Yeah.
Wow. So that's pretty much it for tonight, guys. Nag-watch lang ako ng Monsters, yung Eric and Lyle Menendez story sa Netflix, na bagong labas sa Netflix. Natapos ko na yung whole series and yeah, grabe. If hindi nyo pa na-watch, i-watch nyo. Especially if you like mga documentation. If you really like mga documentaries. Wait, basically just editing, guys, yung gagawin ko tonight. So, I'm just gonna see you again tomorrow. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Another day na andito tayo sa bahay ni ate and another day na hindi pa rin siya nanganganak. Look at her! Walking. Walking pa more. Kasi ayaw na talaga lumabas ni Madam Indy. Sobrang relax na ni Indy sa loob.
Bawaan man, extend tag 1 week yung Jura.
Lagi. Sana nag-extend na lang kami sa Miljura ng 1 week. Feeling ko, hindi na talaga namin makikita si Indy. If ever we're gonna go on our next contract na meron pa kami minamanage sa aming next contract para sa aming accommodation. Yes, today is another day and let's see kung anong ganap natin today. Michelle is, nagluluto siya ng tokwat baboy. But for later lang yan, in preparation pa lang yan. In preparation lang yung pagluluto niya ngayon. Yung accommodation details namin para sa aming next contract, nagka-problema kami konti ni Michelle. So we're still waiting for them to get back to us. Kasi, pag hindi to na-sort out, ay... pag hindi na-sort out, Michelle, anong gagawin mo?
Go home to the Philippines.
We're gonna go home. We are gonna cancel our, our contract. Pero, ayun nga. They are trying to sort it out. Sana talaga ma-sort out. Lalo na, hindi pa lumabas si Indy. Tapos, gusto din namin bakasyon. Anyway, meron tayong mangga dito. Mangga na $8. So, i-open ko to later. Kakakain lang natin. Kape, tapos na lahat. And yeah, itong mangga, kainin natin to kasi ang mahal-mahal ng mangga na ito.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, oh, be together, take me back where I've been. I want it all. I had a feeling that the things are gone. Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling. I could take you back to my youth,
Okay, your turn.
show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bone, I'm
You sure? That's okay. That's okay. You're inside.
My God, ang baho.
Trabaho.
I mean, ang smell.
Keys?
Bisaya na, ang baho. My goodness. Oh my God.
Kuan di ay. Aslong.
Don't know.
Mura ti ang smell. Aslum. As in. Kuya kasi.
Ano ako pang natunga ako? Wait lang ko. Thai salad.
Wala ka ng aslum kay kuan jud smell. $8 na ika ha?
Grabe sa nimong trust issues diha eh. Who hurt you, Raz?
Yan yung binili nila sa Asian shop na magkano daw? $8 isa?
$8.
Ang isa or ang dalawa?
Ang isa. Isa naman eh.
Isa na din, ha?
Muna, manggang ginahan.
Hindi siya ganahan.
Go.
Talat eh. Ay, my God! Mangga. Guys, bagoong. Oh my goodness. I know, it's really nice. Good thing, duha atong gipalit. Is there any update? Wala man.
Pagod na kalakad. Lalaki na ng mga muscle natin. Yung anak natin nasa loob pa din. Ay, nako.
Sige, tilaw isa doon. Luda ko ano yung muhang.
Crunchy pa kate.
Ano? Dili aslom na.
Dilo lang aslum.
Hindi nga ito maasim. Hindi, may maasim yung amoy. Oy!
Amoy mo yung asim kanina.
Kala, ano na?
May lami.
Lami o lami?
Masarap uy.
Sarap din eh.
Without bagoong daw.
Ito eh. Dadua na sa
Di ka gana ginanit eh? Anong ko yun eh?
Okay
Crunchy.
lang. Dili ganahan ko sa texture crunchy. Aslom na ni nila. Maasim na to. Maasim konti eh. Pero hindi yung gaya ng asim.
Ay, $8 gud ite.
Mama. Mama.
Dinosaur? Watch dinosaur.
Ay, Mama.
Alam mo, may ganun kayo nga bago. Hindi ka na ganun lutoon dyan.
Yeah.
Tawag baboy. Kasi hindi manod ano.
Yeah, bitaw, di ba naman may isunan? Mami kayo nas kanon.
Lamang siya sa kare-kare.
Luto si Michelle ng tokwat baboy. Look. Luto na yung baboy kanina pa. Tapos yung tokwa andun. This is the tofu.
That's gaslighting at its best.
I can tell.
Quick, quick, quick!
Go boy, go boy!
Si Arlo, lingaw kayo. Ate Ayla, you're too slow follow. You're too slow follow. Woo! Kay makuhan na ba? Makakong slow ba? Ito siya kita siya. Alo!
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This
Pack up na, pack up. Malamig na.
So, namitigyan namin sipon.
Nag-isipon. Tugnaw naman. Yay!
Ipang ka na kung ano.
Anyan. Ito yung ating tokwat baboy. Everyone's eating. Alo's eating already. Blow many times, boy.
Sorry.
I'm not eating.
You eat now.
Sorry.
Good.
Sorry.
Sorry. Aw.
Sorry.
Say sorry.
Eat it, Tito.
Oops.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Nag-away kasi itong dalawa kanina. First time ni Mate?
First time ko.
First time ni ating kumain ng tokwat baboy.
Hindi na nakakaluto.
Dili uga?
Yeah. May sauce naman ito.
Kisa may nagluto. Hindi na.
Can you play macaron?
What? Yeah. How many?
Very good. Blowing many times.
Yummy. Tokwat baboy.
Thank you, Inday.
Looks good.
Oy.
No.
Why are you playing with your spoon, boy?
You alright, Alo?
He's so cute.
What happened?
Mommy, why?
It can't fit. Mommy.
Baby?
You eat first.
Mommy.
Baby?
Mommy.
Baby, yeah?
Mommy.
Baby?
That's okay. That's okay.
Otro po ka. Kaon diya.
That's okay.
Dinosaur sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't like it with your rice. Just eat your rice and then you can experiment later after your dinner.
Bigger, bigger.
Boy, can you put Iron Man to the side, other side?
I want the turkey.
Tuki.
Cookie.
Cookie.
So, ipadapin mo niya Iron Man.
Cookie.
Yes.
Cookie buns. Cookie buns. That is yummy. You know, you get
Cute ni mo,
two
eh.
cookies and you eat it very big and it makes a love heart.
Love heart.
But this one don't have a piece. I don't get a piece.
Guys, very early tayo magpa-pack up today. Why? Because...
Why? Because...
Why? Because bukas na i-induce si ate. Bukas pa talaga na bukas na lang kami dito. Bukas, guys, we are gonna start traveling because our travel is gonna be a total of 21 hours. Papunta tayo ng New South Wales and yeah, very, very long drive tayo. So, good luck talaga nito. And yun nga, hindi talaga natin makikita si Indy, unfortunately. Send na tayo ng pictures. Yuck. And our phone as well, na akala namin darating yung phone namin. Nag-order kami ni Michelle ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hindi din dumating, guys. So, pero dumating yung aking case. I ordered this one. Saan ba to galing? Uy. Nagbili pa ako ng express, guys, which is like $22 para lang dumating siya. Eh, hindi ko naman ina-expect na matatagalan pala yung pag-send ng aking phone. Akala ko darating talaga siya this week. So, ipapasend na lang natin ni ate pag dumating na tayo sa aming accommodation dun sa next placement natin. Kasi hindi pa din namin alam kung ano yung final namin na accommodation. But yeah, let's just go upstairs, guys. And siguro maliligo na lang ako para diretso na tayo bukas. Kasi everyone's gonna be early. Look at these lovely chicketing. Alo, stop picking your nose, boy. How many times you have to do that? A million times? Tingnan nyo si Buboy, oh. Parang Jose Rizal lang yung ating buhukan dyan, dong. And Ala is so pretty. You pretty, Ate Ala? Not in the mood si Ate, oh.
Ala won't let you
Yeah, because she doesn't have her own, iPad.
It's phone.
Uy.
It's there.
Uy!
Oh, my phone's there.
Uy! What do you want? What do you want, Ate Ayla? Oh, she doesn't want anything, te. Ay, Inday.
I want
Okay, what do you want? You say.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. What?
Why?
Pagwapo kay Kadungay. What's wrong with you guys? Ang aking mga bisita ay kanina pa andito. Bisita sa ating kwarto with a buboy. Ah, naka-Jose Rizal look. Wala, masarap. Wala. Why is he speaking in Tagalog? Anyway, I need to edit.
Si Sharon, gignan ni Dan na 7. Kaya unsa mo oras mo wala ka mga.
Mga ilan alpod?
Yeah.
So 7 na pa sila mabat.
Pero wala ka may mga just after 6.
After 6? Okay ra na. Anong gihapon mo dito?
Lagi. Pwede na mo move sa among kwarto. Magkamata ang mga kids.
Sige. Indie. Last look.
Of my belly.
I know. Diyos ko, Indie. Wajug ka nagpakita na mo, Indie.
November.
Okay. Yeah, November.
1 month.
1 month na. Oh well.
Good night.
Good luck.
See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye. Tumakbo na yung mga kids kasi dumating na yung daddy nila. From the pub. Si Michelle nakakagising lang sa kanyang nap. Oh my God, tomorrow is the day. I'm just gonna see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.